In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table to a calendar in Notion, step by step. If you've already been tracking tasks or events in a table, turning that same data into a calendar view takes just a minute and keeps everything in sync. First, open the Notion page with the table you want to use. Check that your table has a date property. The calendar relies on that property to know where each item should land on the timeline. If you already have something like due date or event date, you're set. If your table doesn't have a date property yet, add one. Click Add a Property, choose Date, and give it a clear name such as Date, Due Date, or Event Date, so it's obvious what it represents to anyone else using the database. Now create the calendar view. At the top of your database, click Add a View, select Calendar, and give your view a name like Calendar View. When Notion asks, choose the correct date property you want the calendar to use, then click Create. Once you do that, your table and calendar are automatically linked. In the calendar view, each row from your table appears as a card on the appropriate date. You can click any date to add a new item. That immediately creates a new row back in the table. Click any calendar card to open it and edit all of its table properties there so you never have to leave the calendar to make updates. To move between the table and the calendar, use the View tabs at the top of the database. You can review details in the table, then hop to the calendar to see timing at a glance. Both views reflect the same data, so changes in one show up in the other. If you want to narrow what you see, open Filter in the calendar view. You might filter to items where status is in progress, category is work, or date is this month. Filters help you focus without altering the underlying database, which is great for personal dashboards or team views. You can also refine how the calendar looks. Click the three dots for View Options to adjust card size, choose which properties are visible on each card, and color cards by a select or status property for quick visual grouping. Finally, you can surface the same database on another page. Type /linked view of database, pick your table, add a calendar view there, and apply different filters like showing only deadlines for that page. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.